Hello everybody, so I have this awesome new product I'd like to show you today. So what I have here is a small vanity desk. So here are the instructions. So what I really liked about this is it was super easy to put together. The instructions are super easy. As you can see, it comes with a flip top mirror with lights included in it. It comes with 3 different lights, which I really like. It's going to be great for when I want to do makeup, do my hair. And this is also really cute. It has like a little glass see-through drawer. So that's pretty cool, really sweet. It's going to be awesome when I start filling it up with all my makeup and all my cool things. This is the second drawer. What I love about this is how small and how sleek it was. And this right here is a little side panel, which is pretty cool too, that flips open and close very easily. Push the little buttons and it goes up and down. So it has extra room for if you want to put your speaker, if you want to charge your phone. And here's a little secret compartment here, which is considered, looks like extra storage to put more things in there. It's a little roll-on, little wheels to slide out, but it's awesome that it converts into a little chair, which is super cool. And as you can see, super small but yet very convenient. I love all the details. I love how easy it was. I love how small and how perfect it fits in the house. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend for anybody who wants a vanity but doesn't want the big old ones that you see all the time. Super cute, super small, super convenient, and I love how it looks. Thank you so much for watching, guys.